If you've forgotten your Lorex NVR password and all software methods have failed, the last option is a hardware factory reset using the reset button on the motherboard. First, power off the NVR completely and unplug all cables for safety. Next, carefully open the cover of the device. Inside, locate the motherboard. You need to find a small button labeled Reset or sometimes marked as J1. Once you've found it, press and hold the reset button firmly. While keeping the button pressed, reconnect the power supply and turn the NVR back on. Continue holding the reset button for around 10 to 30 seconds. Wait for a beep sound or a system restart signal. This indicates that the reset process has been successfully triggered. After that, release the button and allow the system to reboot completely. At this point, your Lorex NVR should be restored to factory default settings and you will be able to set it up again from scratch. However, keep in mind, this is a full factory reset. All previous settings, configurations, and in some cases recorded footage may be permanently erased, so use this method only as a last resort when all other password recovery options fail.